everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Callie. Basically what I do is I'm a vlogger. I live in Florida and I find ways every day to make my life feel like art. Basically romanticizing my life is what I do. I actually have a video specifically on how to make your life feel like a movie. So if you want to check that out, I will have it linked in the description below. But as for today's video, we are just doing a vlog and we have some really fun plans tonight. Throughout the day, there's not a ton going on, but tonight we are doing a date night. Got some avocado egg toast. Very excited to eat this. Avocado toast is just, there's something about it, it just hits right. I want to see if we can watch the Disney World fireworks from, there's a place in Disney Springs where you're supposed to be able to see the fireworks from. It's like a little rooftop dinner place, or maybe it's just drinks, I don't know. I was thinking we would get dinner and drinks there and watch the fireworks. And that's kind of the plan for today. I also have lots of content I've got to edit and film, and my roots are looking very bad. Don't look. So I'm gonna have to be dyeing my hair today, probably too. I've been putting it off for so long. It needs to be done. Disclaimer, I am a hairdresser. I am using professional product. I really would like to have it done in a salon, but I am so picky because of my background as a hairstylist that I just don't trust anyone to do it other than my friends back in Utah. So as for right now, I've just been doing it myself, which has been working just fine. It's just annoying to do it by yourself. It's hard to get to the back and everything. Just want to throw that out there. I am a trained professional. As for right now, I'm gonna finish my breakfast and then maybe we will dye my hair. All right, bathroom lighting is not the greatest, but whatever. We are gonna dye my hair. We are just gonna touch up the roots, so I'm gonna get started on mixing my color. Here we go. Hair is all dyed, and I think I'm going to try air drying my hair in some velcro rollers. That just sounds kind of fun, and like it'll give me some volume for a few days. Thinking about doing that, although I think I'm gonna do that in a YouTube short. So go check that out. Just a little short on how to put your hair in velcro rollers and get like old Hollywood hair. I also have like a full in-depth video on how to do that, and I can link it in the description too. This is the velcro roller situation. There has been a slight change of plans, which you will probably know this by the title of the video. We are going to be having a date night in now because Brayden is not feeling so good. We don't want to get anyone else sick. We are going to stay here and have like a little picnic on the bed and eat and watch a scary movie. That's gonna be our date night in. I have the velcro roller situation. It looks very cute actually, I feel like. And I'm not gonna take them out yet. I tried taking the hair out, but it is still not dry, so we are just gonna go like this. We're just gonna head to Chick-fil-A because we want to get some food for our little date night in. So we're gonna have a little cute little picnic with some candles. It'll be cute. Outfit of the day. Sorry, it's super dark in here. Look how pretty it is.
It is pretty. Do you want food?
Yes. We are eating Chick-fil-A and watching Dark Shadows. Can I buy your sandwich? Because I did get a sandwich this time.
You still can't do it.
I got a wrap. I just want a bite.
Still my sauce too.
You don't mind.
Everyone share in our family's success.
Falling apart. What'd you do to it?
Nothing. So we were gonna make Halloween cookies, but I had a better idea and got Ben & Jerry's ice cream with cookie dough in it. Good idea, huh?
Great
Yum.
idea.
I'm taking my rollers out.
Cookie dough on it.
Yeah.
Don't need to turn the bathroom light off.
I don't know why that's on. I took out the curlers and this is what it looks like. Looks very good. Hopefully it lasts through me sleeping on it. But I feel like it's gonna calm down just enough and be perfect when I wake up tomorrow. Fingers crossed. It's time to get unready. So take off the makeup, do the skincare, all that good stuff. I use micellar water and cotton pads to take off my makeup. Moisture gel. This is by Jill Gorman. I love Jill Gorman products. They're so amazing. They have changed the game for my skin, honestly. Next, I'm gonna put this acne cream on. This is the Acne Cream 2.5. It's also by Jill Gorman, and I just kind of put it anywhere that I start getting acne. I did wash my makeup brushes today though, so that's good. And that will help with preventing me from getting more acne. And now I'm gonna put some night serum on my hair. This is by Kerastase. Just gonna add a little bit. I really hope that my Velcro roller waves stay. So I'm gonna try a trick to make them stay. My silk scarf again. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't really know what I did and I don't really know if it's gonna work, but let's hope it keeps the curls preserved. Also, this scarf isn't like really like silk material, so I'm hoping it's the right type of material to not make my hair look crazy, but we'll see how it goes. it is time for sleep and I am going to turn in for the night. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had such a fun time having our little date night in, even though we planned on going out. It was so much fun to still just get Chick-fil-A and have the night in. Sometimes it's nice to do that. Well, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't want to keep talking too much because I don't want to wake Brayden up. Thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this, give me a thumbs up so I know what to make more videos of. And subscribe if you like vlogs. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!